Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to spend the day in the garden and we're going to do some container gardening and a do-it-yourself project. If this is the first time that you visited my channel, I'm Jacqueline Marie, and my channel is all about home decor, cleaning, lifestyle, shopping, and more. And I would love that you take some time today to subscribe to my channel. So let's go ahead and get started. This morning I went to my local Home Depot and I got these terracotta pots and these geraniums. I'm going to plant the geraniums in the terracotta pots and I'm going to hang them on this pot hanger that I got at the Apple Market in Covent Garden in London. Last April, I spent 3 weeks traveling through Spain, and in some of the towns, they had these beautiful pots hanging from the wall. I was not able to buy them there because I couldn't put them in my suitcase. But when I went to HomeGoods this past week, I saw the same pots for sale there. So I bought 3 of them, and I'm going to plant these annuals, and I'm going to hang them from the post in my morning room. To plant the annuals, I'm going to use this Miracle Grow potting mix that I got at Costco. So let's go ahead and start planting all these geraniums. The geraniums look so cute on these terracotta pots. Please comment below and let me know if you're already planting some annuals in your garden. We have 2 more pots to plant, and I cannot wait to show you how adorable these terracotta pots look hanging from the pot hanger that I got in London. And now that all the geraniums are planted, I'm going to add some water to the pots, and then we're going to hang them on the pot hanger. To hang the pots, you slide the pot on the sides of the hanger. I'm going to hang this one on this side of the yard and the other one in the other side of the yard. But this pot hanger is designed that you can connect both of them and hang all four together. Now we're going to plant some annuals on this container. Because this is a bigger container, I'm going to add some pebbles on the bottom of the container to help with the water drainage. Now I'm going to add some water to the plants and then I'm going to hang it on the post. I'm using a galvanized nail to hang the pot on the post. I love the color of the pots and the contrast of the flowers. Today we're going to plant 2 more of these pots and then do a do-it-yourself project. I'm going to plant these petunias and these marigolds on the pots. I got these petunias and marigold at Home Depot. And our friend Stella is hanging around the yard enjoying the beautiful weather today, and she stopped by to check what we're doing. And this is how they look hanging from the post. I love the colors. And now we're going to do a simple and easy do-it-yourself project. Last year, I bought this tool at the end of the season at Michael's. It was like pale green and I was not too fond of the color. I want to paint the navy blue to match the planters that I have on the deck. I'm going to start spray painting the inside and then I'm going to spray paint the outside. And when everything dries, I'm going to flip it and spray paint the top. And this is how it turned out. I love the navy blue color. And my friends, this is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I hope you come back because the next videos we're going to be decorating for Memorial Day. Also, before leaving the video, please take some time to subscribe. To all my subscribers, thank you for coming back. Also, stay connected on Instagram. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope to see you next time on Jacqueline Marie Living. Have a great week.